Hi guys, and welcome to Total Technik. In this video we're going to quickly show you the location of your antenna amplifier. This is the A6, S6 and RS6, the C5, and this particular one is the Avant that we're working on today. So let's take a look at where this bad boy's hidden. Now, believe it or not, on the Avant model, such as we've got here, the antenna amplifier is very sneakily attached and hidden to the back of this metal frame that houses things like your CD changer, your TV tuner, things of that nature. So it's actually attached to the back of this metal framework. So that's where it is. So we'll quickly show you, we'll get this removed and quickly show that to you so you can see where it's located for yourself. We'll also produce a removal video as well for the antenna amplifier. So if you need to actually get it removed, if you scroll down below this video, we'll have a link for you so you can go down and check that video out on how to remove it as well. But we'll show you where it is. Quite a surprising location, but we'll do that next. So here we are with the metal framework removed, and as you can see, this silver box sneakily attached to the back of it. That is the antenna amplifier right there. So that's the location. It's a strange one, it's nice and hidden, but that's where it is.